Hello everyone, welcome to GwPro Trading. It's Michael here, and in today we're going to be learning how to trade the cryptocurrency the right way. And I'm going to be sharing with you a full detailed explanation of how you can start your crypto trading journey, as well as how you can also make profit from trading crypto as well. So I'm going to also be sharing you in the next video how you can start trading futures and also the right way to trade futures, how you can also calculate your losses, and how you can also calculate your risk, how you can also calculate your profit, and how you can also manage risk when it comes to future trading. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you different things which you can also do, ranging from how to leverage the right way, what is leveraging, how you can use it, how you can use it to advantage, and how leverage can also work against you as a trader. Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can start your crypto trading journey. In the whole essence of this video, we're going to be looking at spot trading as a whole, and I'm going to be covering in this video, right? So let's go ahead and then start what is basically crypto trading. Okay, so crypto trading is simply the act of buying, okay, a particular asset. Okay, say you want to buy a particular asset at a given price and you want to sell that asset at a given price. Okay, that is simply trading. You're buying an asset on a value. Okay, you're buying on a value and you're buying at a particular quantity. Okay, say you have $100. Okay, what you're buying with your $100 could be a particular value, okay, a particular volume of a certain asset. Okay, when I'm talking about a certain asset, what do I mean by asset? Asset means the coin in question. Okay, it means the coin in question. And if you look at, for example, here we have AVAX, okay, we have Luna, we have Sol, and these are all, most of these are all abbreviation. Okay, they're all abbreviation. Possibly you have ETH, which also means Ethereum. Okay, you have the BUSD as well. So these are mostly abbreviation. Okay, and you need to understand what are the full meaning of this abbreviation. So one, I'm talking about asset or asset, okay, in the context means a particular coin you're buying. Okay, so you can be buying AVAX, you can be buying Luna, you can be buying Sol, you can be buying BTC. Okay, so each of this price or each of this asset has price fluctuation. Okay, so it has price fluctuation, meaning that price change. Okay, price change with respect to time. Okay, price change with respect to time. Okay, so this price are not constant. Okay, they change. All right, so if you go ahead and look at this one here, you would also see that over some period this will change. Okay, you can see that it's also changing right here. Okay, it's also changing. So with the ship also is changing. You can see that it's changing from 4.3 to, okay, it was 4.3 before. If you look at it a little while, it will change. So with this one here as well, it's also changing, and all of these are changing. Okay, so if you look at it closely, you're going to see that they are changing. This one is changing, this is changing from 43 to 42. Okay, so this is also changing. If you take a good look at this one, you will see that the price is changed. Okay, when there is a change in price, it means that for a particular amount which is expected to buy, a certain quantity of that asset is going to change. Okay, the quantity which you can buy an asset, okay, is going to change. Okay, let's make an example. An example goes here. You have price trading, mana trading in 3 point. Let's make an example. All right, so we can all understand. You have mana trading in 3.1496. Okay, and let's say price change from 3.1496 to 3.14, maybe just maybe drop to 1.340. All right, so let me just bring up a calculator now and then let me share with you. Okay, I think I'll just need to write this out. Okay, so let me just bring this up. Okay, I just need to write this down. Okay, so I'm gonna have to introduce this here, because this is gonna also help us in the writing. Okay, so I'm gonna have to introduce sticky notes. Okay, I'm gonna have to introduce sticky notes. All right. Okay, so I'm gonna have to introduce sticky note. Okay, so we were looking at mana Okay, say price is trading inside 3.14. Okay, let's say 445. Okay, now, okay, so we have current price. Okay, current price. Okay, and you want to buy $100 worth. Okay, so you have $100. You want to buy $100 worth. Okay, I'm going to try to break this down for you guys to understand. I want to buy $100 worth of mana. All right, so I have current price 3.1445. Okay, that's the current price. Now you would understand that at this price right here, that $100 can buy how many quantities? So you're gonna go up here, put up 100. You divide that by 3.1445. Okay, so you will be able to buy. This will be equal 31.80. Okay, mana. Okay, that's what your money can buy you at that time. Okay, now let's say this is for trader A. Okay, so this is for trader A. Okay, this is for trader A. Okay, buys at this price. Okay, trader 2 comes in the next day, or trader B comes in the next day, and possibly he looked at some technical analysis. I'm not going to look at that. Okay, so possibly for whatsoever reason, trader 2 comes in and then says he wants to buy mana, and at that time we might also be having that mana is trading inside 3.2. all right, let's say 3.0. okay, let's just add some significant places and let it look real. Okay, let's say mana is trading inside of that. Okay, at that time. Okay, then you're gonna realize that for trader 2 that wants to buy was $100 at the new price. Okay, at the new price, he's gonna afford $100 is gonna afford 3.201. He's going to afford 31.2. all right, because there is an increase in price. Okay, so mana moves from this to this. Okay, and is only able to buy 31.2, which trader A bought at 3.1445 was able to buy this quantity. Trader 2 buying at 3.2 was able to buy this quantity for the same value. Okay, and let's say trader, okay, we're looking at removing. Okay, so trader C wants to buy mana, okay, with $100. Okay, and let's say mana goes up to $5.0. okay, after, let's say, after maybe 5 days, 1 week, 1 month, okay, and the price goes up, okay, and he wants to buy with $100. okay, so this is expected, his $100 is going to be expected to buy him just 20. okay, expected to buy is expected to buy him just 20, okay, quantity of mana. okay, you're gonna buy him that. all right, you understand the logic involved, right? Okay, so this, with respect to price and change, is going to affect or change the value you are buying with. Okay, now let's say these different traders bought at different prices. We're going to be using this concept to explain spot trading, okay, when it comes to cryptocurrencies. 3 different traders bought at 3 different prices. okay, and let's say trader A decides, and let's say mana moves up to, okay, let's say mana moves up to current price. okay, current price, mana moves up to, let's see, mana moves up to maybe $10. let's look at this one. okay, $10. I think let's put it $10. that would be nice. okay, so mana moves up to $10. okay, so who would make the most money? okay, let's look at trader A. Trader A bought at 3.145. all right, so that's in dollar. This is also in dollar, and the rest in dollar. So this bought this quantity, and this also bought this quantity. All right, that bought that quantity. Okay, so trader A will be able to sell his quantity. All right, that is the point where you make your money. Okay, so the difference in price is where you make your money. All right, so you're going to be having that your money or profit equals buying price minus, okay, or selling price subtract from buying price. All right, so let's look at it. Okay, so here we have, this one has 31.8, so let's go look at it. 31.80. Then the current price is $10. Okay, so you're going to just have to multiply this by the price, which is 10. All right, the quantity times the price. Okay, that will give you what that value will become. Okay, so this is gonna, trader A is gonna make $308 for this quantity of mana at this price. Okay, this quantity at $10. All right, originally he bought at this price. Okay, so let's look at what his profit will be like. Okay, so his profit will be that amount subtract from his initial amount. Okay, and that is going to be $218. Okay, so he is going to bag $218. Okay, so he's going to bag $218. Okay, that he has been able to make for just buying this at this price and holding for that long. Okay, so say it took about, let's say, maybe just 2 months for that to happen. Okay, so 2 months for that to happen. So trader A has successfully made $208. Okay, so look at what trader B is going to successfully make. Okay, so over that time, say he decides to sell his 31.2 quantity, which he has 31.2 times the new price, which is $10, and let's see, he's able to make 312. Okay, 312 he's able to make, and you subtract that from his initial investment, which is $100, and you're gonna see that trader 2 is able to make $212. Okay, he's able to make that. Okay, and let's look at for trader 3 or trader C. He bought 20 pieces of or quantity of mana at 5.0, and now we have price trading at $10. Okay, let's see what he will be able to make. Okay, so he will be able to make that quantity, which is 20, all right, because he bought at a higher price. Okay, he bought at a higher price. Then the previous two, A and B, bought at a lower price. This one bought at a higher price. Okay, okay, so he's able to make 20, which is the quantity, times the current value, which is its price, and he's able to make $200. All right, he's able to make 200, and let's subtract that from his initial investment. He's able to make $100. Okay, so between the three traders, you would understand that trader A made the most profit because of the price. Okay, he made the most profit because of the price. Okay, he got in on a good price, bought at a good price, sold at a good price, and he's able to double or triple his investment. Okay, he's able to make 3 times his investment on the return, which if you take out his initial investment, he has made double of that figure. Okay, so this is just simply how spot trading works. Okay, spot trading works this way. Okay, now let's take in another example. Okay, we're going to still use trader A, trader B, and trader C, and this is going to still remain constant. Okay, so the only thing that's going to change is a little difference. Okay, we are using the same parameters. Okay, let's say trader A bought some quantity at $100. Okay, when price was trading at 3.1445. Okay, and let's say the respective traders, okay, let's say trader A decides to sell, let's say we want to sell 50%. Okay, let's say we want to sell by percentage. Okay, so you can decide to not sell all your assets at once. Okay, you can sell some quantity of your assets. Okay, you can sell 30%, you can sell 40%, whatever percentage quantity total of what you've been able to accumulate over a period. Okay, you can also add to those quantity. Okay, you can also add to those quantity over time. Say you want to further accumulate, further add. You can as well also add, but you can also add at different prices. Okay, say for example trader A bought at initially 3.1445. okay, so over time price got up to, let's say price got up to maybe $4. Okay, and he decides to still buy another $100 worth of it. All right, so he wants to still buy another at, okay, buy $100 at $4, okay, which is price. Okay, he wants to see buy additional $100 worth at $4 per mana. He's going to be able to add another 25 pieces. So he's going to be able to add another 25, which is going to be in quantity. In total, he's going to have 25 plus 31.8, and he's going to have in total 56.8. okay, 56.8 in total. Okay, so which he understands that there is a record in his wallet or back office. All right, there's a record in his back office, and that it's going to document this whenever he goes back to see the prices where he bought this from. Okay, so he doesn't have a trading journal, and he wants to basically take those records off the platform. Okay, so there are list of transactions and there are histories, there are records which you can always track those transactions which he did. Okay, and maybe he bought another 4. Okay, and let's say trader B, okay, buys, okay, another, let's say trader B buys another $100 worth. Okay, so he's going to be able to still add to his position. All right, let's say trader C doesn't buy. Okay, so trader C is okay with the quantity and the volume of that asset he's able to hold. Okay, so you can hold as many as different assets in your back office or your Binance account or your exchange. Okay, you can also hold it on your exchange, or you can choose to send it to your wallet. Okay, so we have various wallets. You can as well go in and check. Okay, if I just go ahead and check for you guys, we have different wallets. Okay, so we have from Engine, we have from a lot of wallets. Okay, we have Trust Wallet, the rest. I don't want to mention them because I'm not advertising for any company. Okay, so we have different wallets which you can also save your, but you need to understand that majority of these wallets or most of these wallets are decentralized wallets. Okay, so what this means is there is no one behind, okay, or there is no customer service which you can call for help, and everything is being uploaded directly to the server. Okay, it just that. Okay, so you have to keep safe your 12 digit or your 12 letter words, okay, which you're going to receive as a backup during registration and then when you're backing up that wallet. Okay, because it's going to be of great importance. If you lose that, you're going to lose your money. You're going to lose your money. You can't recover if you lose it. All right, you want to keep it safe. All right, write it somewhere in a book, snap it down, you know, do whatever you feel you can do to keep it safe, but don't let it get to the wrong hands. Um, with that phrase, 12 phrase, anyone can open your wallet anywhere in the world. Okay, so you can open your wallet anywhere in the world. That is how easy it is. Okay, I can travel from South Africa to anywhere. All right, I can travel from South Africa to, maybe I move into Ghana, or I move into Liberia, or move into some other place outside the African country. Say I move into Mexico, I move into maybe Turkey, I move into Spain. I can as well, without my phone, okay, so without my gadget, I can as well buy a new phone in that country, provided there is internet service, and I can access my wallet anytime. Okay, I can access that wallet anytime, and I can also pull out my coin with my phrase and also with my password. I can also do that. Okay, so you can do that. That is how easy it is to transfer or transport or move money from a particular country to another country. All right, so once you have your money, or you can as well understand that crypto is highly decentralized. Okay, and in terms of selling or looking to sell, it is highly liquid. Okay, so what this means is that you can sell in a flash. Okay, it takes selling of an asset in a flash. Okay, so once you put it on the right price, you can as well sell it anytime. Okay, there is an exchange always ready to convert that asset into a fiat currency. What do I mean by fiat currency? Fiat currency simply means that local currency. You can be looking at fiat currency as USD. You can be looking at as ZAR. You can be looking at Rand. You can be looking at it as cedis. You can be looking at it as pound. You can be looking at it as euro. You can be looking at it as Chinese yuan. You can be looking at it as any local currency where you are at that time. Okay, so that's what's fiat. Okay, so if we go ahead, see what other things we could also learn. Let's dive into down the chart, and also let's see what we can as well learn. So I've explained the basics for you guys, how it is done. You buy a quantity of asset at a price, and you can sell at a different price and make money of it. All right, so it means that you can buy, profit is made from selling price minus buying price. All right, in those times you can understand that even when a coin or an asset is falling in terms of value, the quantity which you bought remains same. Okay, that is the real advantage of spot trading. Okay, you bought a quantity and price change, you sell, the difference is your profit or your loss. Okay, that's what we call P&L, profit and loss. You're going to see it in your account, profit and loss. That's what we call P&L. Price change is what we call P&L, profit and loss. Okay, so let's look at some chart and let's see what we have here and how you can implement all what I just said in your Binance account. All right, if you're also using Gate.io, for those that are using Gate.io, okay, there will be a link on the description of this video, so you can go check it out. If you have not registered, you can go ahead and register through that link. All right, through that link you have access to $20 free. Okay, I'm gonna give you $20 free when you register from that link. I'm gonna post it on the description of this video below, so you can also register on Gate.io. This also is accepted across various countries. Okay, so you can also look at Gate.io. It's a very good exchange, and it's also acceptable across majority of the continent and also country as well. So you can go check it out, and then you can also give your assessment on it. All right, so for this recording we're going to be using only Binance for now. Okay, maybe in future recordings when we go over to futures trading, we can also explain, I can also explain also in the previous and in the future videos. Okay, so we'll go ahead to trade. All right, so for the, I'm gonna have to close this. I don't like that sound. Okay, it's coming from Gate.io. Okay, so this is what it looks like for you going through trade to classic. Okay, I want to use the classic. Okay, And this is what it means. Okay, so first I want to start by also introducing you to the various things you might want to see. All right, you can also, I would call this a pay. Okay, I would call this a pay. Okay, this would be called a pay. All right, so you have BTC USDT. Okay, we'll call it a pay. Okay, because it's pairing a crypto asset against USD Theta. Okay, so I will call this a pay. So we'll look at this when you have, for example, you have this BUSD slash USDT. What this means is what value or what quantity of USDT can buy one BTC. All right, let me just go ahead and explain it one more time. What quantity of USDT can buy one BTC? Okay, so let's say another example here. We've talked about BTC now, and you can as well see that the quantity of USDT that can buy one BTC, which is one Bitcoin, is 46 at the moment. All right, you understand that this doesn't remain static. It changes. It is subject to change due to liquidity and high supply and demand. We'll look at in the next video what causes this, what causes price change. It is simply supply and also demand. Okay, this causes price change. It is a function of supply and demand in the market. So this USDT is a stable coin. So we look at some stable coin we have. We have BUSD is a stable coin. We have USDT is a stable coin, which is backed or pegged to the USD. Okay, so with respect to USD, what the value is in your local currency, this is also pegged to that. Okay, all right, we're not going to be looking at your local currency, so we can be looking at USDT slash ZA. Okay, for my local currency. Okay, we're not looking at this, we're going to be looking at this now. Okay, so this is required that 46,050 and 98 cents is required to buy one BTC. So that's what it means. If you look at another example here, we can also see that we have 1 inch USDT, half USDT, ACM USDT. Remember, all these are abbreviations. So if you go ahead, search or check what the real meaning are, you're going to see that they mean something more lengthy. So this is just an acronym, okay, of the real thing. All right. Some actually full meanings, right? But for example, BTC is Bitcoin. Okay. We have ADA meaning ADA, probably 1 inch. Same. You can also have it that BNB is also Binance coin, and we also have ETH, meaning Ethereum. Okay, so we have these differences in signs or symbols, what represents them. Okay, let's clear this off. So for you to start your trading journey, you want to look at what currency you want to buy. Okay, for example, let's say for example, in this presentation, we're looking to trade ADA. Okay, let's go ahead and take an example for an ADA. Okay, for ADA, you want to trade ADA. Okay, so ADA USDT. I just clicked the wrong thing. Let me just go ahead and click ADA. So you can go and see, once you click the asset or the pair you want to trade, it will reflect here. So this is Cardano. Okay, just click that, and we're going to see all this here. All right, what this all means, we have the current price, okay, 1.22 is a round figure of 1.218. All right, remember that time in school we were saying round up, round down. Okay, so when you have, from example, 1.155, you can as well round it up. Okay, you have 1.55, maybe 3, you can round it down to 1.55. So you take out the 3, it's round down to 1.55. So it's what is also applicable in trading. You have here the last 24 hours change is minus 4.96%, and which has also changed 0.060 in price. Okay, you have also the last 24 high in the last trading day, or in the current trading day we have it, or probably 24 hours, you have it that price have made a high of 1.3 and also made a low of 1.207. Okay, this is the volume over the last 24 hours, and this is also the volume traded. All right, volume of ADA over the last 24 hours traded, and also volume of USDT traded against the ADA in the last 24 hours. So this also reflects people selling and also buying. Okay, so it reflects selling and buying. All right, so we'll look at how you can start opening some positions. Okay, when you want to open some positions, there are certain things you want to look at. You want to look at buying at the right price. Okay, so let's look at types of market execution. This is the part which is most important to every trader. And okay, and you should understand this. Okay, so you want to buy, let's start with limit order. So what does limit order mean? Limit order means that you can set price, or you can set to buy at a particular price. Okay, let's take for example, currently we have ADA trading at, let's look at this one. Okay, because this is also same. Okay, here is also same as whatever is up there. Okay, you have ADA trading at 1.212. okay, this is current market price. Okay, and I, as a trader, I don't want to buy at that price. Okay, so I don't want to sit on my system, I don't want to sit on my trading desk waiting the whole of the day when price gets to a certain low. I can as well set up a pending order, all right, for the market to execute for me. I can as well set price at 1.20. all right, so let's just go look at it. I can as well put up here, I want to buy ADA at 1.20. okay, and here it's going to take your available. Okay, so here I don't have any available, but for sake of this presentation I'm going to buy at the price. Okay, and say I want to buy in amount. Okay, I can buy in amount. Okay, I want to buy, let's say I want to buy 10. I want to buy 10 at 1.2. okay, I want to buy 10 at 1.2. okay, and I'll be expected to pay this one. Okay, I'm going to pay $12 to buy that quantity. Okay, you can just go ahead and click on buy. This is going to set for you. All right, when price gets to that point, the system is going to be here on your order book. It's going to automatically buy for you at that price. That will also make you a market maker. All right, it's going to make you a market maker. And for you to buy at the current price, you just go ahead, buy at market execution. It's going to make you a taker. There are different charges in terms of commission or charge for different people or for different types of traders. Okay, a marker is charged less and a taker is charged high. Okay, so same also goes with selling. Okay, same also goes with selling. I have a certain quantity over there and I want to sell. Okay, let's say I bought at 1.2. I can as well buy at 1.2 and immediately, okay, put up another order to sell at 1.22 immediately. Okay, I can do that immediately. So once I set those two orders, it is going to buy at 1.20. Once price shifts a little bit to 1.22, it's going to sell immediately, and I'll just make money off that. Okay, as a trader, I just made money off that. By just doing that, I've been able to make certain amount of that. Okay, I want to sell that 10. Let's look at it. I want to sell at 1.22. All right, so at this point I bought at $12 and I sold at 12.20 cents. So I just made 20 cents. That's how easy, very fast. So I'm going to put up a pending order here, click sell. I can click buy and sell at the same time, and wow, that will be okay. So it will be on your order book. Once price gets to 1.20, it's going to automatically buy for you, and once price shifts to 1.22, it's going to automatically sell for you immediately, and then you've made your 20 cents. Just that easy. All right, so let's look at some other few examples on market execution. For limit, you can also set sell order. Okay, so for you to set sell order, for a sell limit order, okay, for a sell limit order, it means that you want to sell at price higher than current price. Okay, price higher than current price for sell limit order. For a buy limit order, you want to buy at price lower than current market price. So what is current market price? If you look at this structure here, this is 1.22. For a buy, you want to buy at the low here, so you can sell buy limit. For a sell limit, you want to sell at price higher than price for a sell limit. Okay, you also have market execution. Okay, so you can just go ahead, this one here, immediately you put up an order, it goes ahead and then execute for you. Okay, so you just immediately put up, you want to buy at price. Okay, so it's going to put up price for you, and you want to buy certain quantity. Let's say I want to buy 20. Okay, it's going to just buy. Once you click buy, it's going to buy at market execution. Similar to this one, it's going to sell at market execution. So you need to, for spot trading, you need to have that asset for you to be able to sell that asset. All right, unlike futures trading, which you can also trade on futures. Okay, futures, you don't basically need to own the asset, but in spot trading you need to own that asset. All right, okay, so let's look at stop limit order. Okay, what stop limit order means is you can set two different price. Okay, you can set two different price. This is limit. Okay, for I want to buy. Okay, I want to buy. Okay, I want to buy anything from 1.217 lower than price to anywhere around 1.215. Okay, I don't want to buy anywhere lower than that. Okay, I can just go ahead and put up a quantity I need. I'll just click on buy. So this is going to start buying my position right from this price to this price. Once price hits this limit, it's going to start buying. All right, probably this is mostly effective for coin or asset that doesn't have enough volume. Okay, that, you know, if you're looking at buying, you know, buying 10 pieces is really easy. Let's say I want to buy 1 billion quantity of this. Okay, let's say I want to buy 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is million, this is billion. 3. All right. Okay, I want to buy 1 billion. Okay, this 1.7 will not be able to execute this immediately, because if you look at 1.7 or 1.27 here, 1.27, you can also see what quantity is here. Okay, these are buying quantities. Okay, let's look at selling quantities at 1.217. Okay, how many people want to sell for me at that price? Lower. Okay, how many people, or what's the volume? All right, we have this. Okay, so it will not be complete. Okay, it won't execute at that time. So you're gonna expect that price could as well buy from this to this. So the whole of this I'm gonna have to buy until price or my total quantity is being achieved. So this is the essence of stop limit order, similar to stop limit order for a sell and also for a buy. So that's how easy you can also start your trading journey. And immediately you buy, this goes into your spot wallet. Okay, it goes into your spot wallet, and it's going to reflect in your spot wallet as a DAI in your spot wallet. Whatever you're buying, say you're buying another currency, say you're buying ACM, it's also the same process. It's going to reflect also that. Okay, whenever you want to sell, just go ahead, click the asset you want to sell, and just go ahead, and then it's going to show you the quantity which you have here. Or you can also do that at market execution. You're going to sell right away, put in that quantity here, say 100 pieces, and just go ahead, click sell, and voila, that's going to be done for you instantly. So that's how easy you can start your crypto trading journey. See you on the next one. I'm going to be sharing with you all the intricacies and all the tips you need for you to start your futures trading and also be profitable. Like, subscribe, and also share with friends. That's the best thank you, and it will also help in the creation of more videos such as this one. See you on the next one.